Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 31 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. Right now, the portfolio is at $12,000. $12,090 to be exact, and we're up about 14.22%. So the market's been kind of up and down lately, as we see in the past year or so. It's kind of had some dips here, but it's eventually corrected itself. So we're going to take this time to continue to dollar cost average some of our main stock holdings. As we scroll down here, you can see all the shares I own of each company. We're going to start our buys with BCE today, so Bell Canada. So as you can see in the last year chart, this stock has been down a little bit, but also you can see in the past year and 5 years, the stock keeps trending up. So only owning about 3% of my portfolio into this company. It has a healthy 5.18% dividend yield. So we're going to buy 2 shares of this today. And then also we're going to buy about 5 shares if we can of one of our main ETF holdings. So that went through perfect. We're going to scroll all the way down to one of our main ETF holdings, like I was saying, VDY. Now this company is absolutely amazing. About 20% of my portfolio. I try to get up to 20, maybe up to 25 at some point as well. A good healthy yield at 3.19%. Holding a lot of financial companies. You can see the stock trends here. Financial, it has industrial companies. You can see the breakdown of everything it has if you go to the Vanguard website, but we're going to buy 5 shares of that if we can. Perfect. Confirm order. Awesome. So again, just to recap, we bought 2 shares of BCE and 5 shares of VDY. So again, our portfolio is up about $1,500 all time, which is awesome. Hopefully the stock market continues to trend up, but if it does trend down, just more time to buy those stocks at a discounted price. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't signed up for Wealthsimple or Shakepay, links in the description. You get 2 free stocks, or about $30, I believe, in Shakepay. I haven't checked that in a while, but awesome time to buy crypto as the markets have been going up with everything going on in the world. So thanks again for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon, and talk to you later.